Want to know how we brought these to life? I'm about to show y'all step by step of how to customize these Kobe's, and it's all hand painted. You don't even need an airbrush to make this custom possible. Let's get to it. So let's go ahead and get started with these all white cocaine Kobe's. Perfect canvas for us to get started on these customs. So we're going to be able to start with unlacing the shoes real quick. Also, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe right now. Just start off early. And we starting in with the Jamaican Joy mixed with some hot paint to start painting up blocking in our color bases, because I'm doing one of my signature designs where it's more of an abstract look but a nice flow that just goes with each other and catches the viewer's eye soon that they have this on their feet. Now we're about to be going in with some pale blue, and I didn't mix this paint with too soft on this mesh just because sometimes when you mix it with too soft it will cause the paint to bleed, and I wanted to make sure that I kept my details and my paint where I wanted it to go. I didn't want it to bleed at all. So do not use too thin or too soft mixed in with your paint sometimes when you're working on mesh shoes like this, because it will bleed. I'm telling you now, and then you're gonna be mad when you're trying to get a detailed design and it ends up bleeding all over the place, and then next thing you know your colors is all muddy with each other. Now we're about to go in with some sapphire blue and add in our details with a nice round brush and let it flow. I told y'all before, less paint, let it flow. Less paint, less pressure. That's how you'll be able to get your clean lines and be able to get those smaller lines if you want to be able to start like a good outline. How y'all doing though? We got a lot of content coming soon. I've been batch video recording a lot of different content from vlogs, tutorials. I'm still working on my masterclass too as well. And visit Stickynation.art right now if you're looking to inquire about any custom shoes, stencils, stickers, phone cases, t-shirts, merch, just anything you need. We're a one-stop shop and we learning more and more and more. And you know I'm gonna be putting you guys on game too as well with these YouTube videos. So turn your post notifications on so you're not late to the party. You want to be able to get this game as soon as possible and implement it in your art business or just your career or just being able to work on your own shoes. So like, don't that sound good? Because it sounds good to me. I wish I had this type of knowledge when I was first starting. I had to learn, fail, learn, fail, learn, and then you know it just starts sticking with me, and I start like, I ain't about to make that same mistake over again. So if you want to see me create any type of video, drop it down below in the comments. And if you can do many suggestions, because I'm all for making this videos. Like I love creating content, I love painting, I love trying new things. So y'all suggestions, I will be reading them down in the comments below. So as you see now, we're going in with our flat black with our round brush, and like I say, less paint, less pressure, clean lines. That's what you're gonna get every time. Take your time. Use your pinky as a guidance to be able to get that depth. And I know I said I wasn't going to be using no airbrush, but I'm using it right here because I wanted to be able to get this midsole painted fast, and so I can get my splatter on, so I can meet up with my client tomorrow. I'm doing this for his son Sheldon. So Sheldon, if you see this video, you watching this right now, keep up the great work, man, on that court. Keep dominating. Don't let nobody tell you nothing when you on that court. When you on that court, it's you, your team, and y'all dominate. No sympathy. No sympathy at all. If you could score 50 on them, score 50. If you could score 100, score 100. Definitely why you in these shoes, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But look at these, came out clean. Y'all see Snickers in the background, out there getting her vitamin D from the sun, and Big chilling. I don't know if she looking for some worms or something, or some ants. She trying to get some type of vitamins. But I just love how these came out. Let me know how we did down below in the comments. And like I said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. Tell your mama. Tell your mama you want some custom shoes. Tell your dad. Tell him you want some shoes too. Or tell your uncle. Tell somebody. Or if you want some for yourself. Look at these. Look at these. Look at these. Look at these. Every angle. Looking good. Oh my gosh. Y'all can tell I love this, right? Y'all can tell the time that we put into this, but hey, until the next video, Y'all stay blessed, and I appreciate y'all watching. Just like that, make sure you subscribe to the left, and then YouTube is suggesting the video to the right there. So if y'all want to binge watch my stuff, go ahead and do it now.